way to have horseradish on hand. So in one of my cupboards here, I have a jar of horseradish that I've dehydrated in my dehydrator. Super easy. I actually got some amazing horseradish from a friend's garden and I just chopped it up, almost like you chop up a carrot and put it in a salad. I dehydrated it and then threw it in this jar. So obviously super easy to store, and it can store for a really long time. When I want to use it in an emergency situation for a cold or cough or flu or help support the immune system, then I will just put a couple pieces of these in a mug and put some hot water over it and let it steep for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I can drink it, or I can put other concoctions in there that I need to. You can also put a couple pieces in a little bit of water and let it reconstitute, and then you can add it to your recipes or any other way that you would like to use it. Super easy to have on hand, very helpful, and again, it stores for a really long time. This, my friends, is horseradish. This is after I blended it up in the food processor. But you can do it in the Vitamix. I don't have that much oil in it, but you can put a lot of oil in it. It helps store much longer and much easier. But when I need it, then I'll just take a little bit and I'll put it in some avocado, maybe even a little less than that. Put in avocado and make like a guacamole, or add it to soups, or if I need to make an herbal poultice with it for injuries, or if someone's got a really bad cough, then I need to put it on the lungs, the chest area. But again, this is a super easy way to store it, and it's not that bad. You just put the horseradish in the food processor with enough oil to kind of moisten it. But again, this is very little oil in it. You can obviously put a little bit more in it. So if you really just want to do something as maintenance, you can just take a little bit every day in the mouth to help support your systems. Or if you are sick and need some, and you feel like you're coming down with something, you can take a little spoonful of like this 3 or 4 times a day to nip it in the bud. So there's many different ways you can use it and take it.